Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight in the Virgin Atlantic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the book button at the bottom of the page. And then first you have to set if you want to book a flight for a return, one way or multi-city. So if you chose that, first you have to give the departure country. And then you have to set the arrival country, and then set the date as well. So you can just search for date, and then you have to set the passengers as well. So if you are flying with young adults, children, or infants, you can give them by clicking on the plus sign next to them. So once you did that, click on the continue button. And lastly, you can give if you want to pay with points within this application or with money. And then just click on the find flights button. And there were no available flight for that specific date, so just try for another date. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.